Good morning, all you beautiful people out there. It is Sunday. We are going to just do a little video for you, just something short and simple. We made a quick change to the FatBob and the Breakout. We kind of made a little switcheroo, so we wanted to just share that with you because it happens to make a huge difference in my life, and I thought I would share that with all of you. So let's take a look. So it's such an interesting story. Not really that interesting, but anyways, we were, Mr. Nutt and I were sitting talking on the couch, and we were thinking about what's the next thing we do to my bike. We were talking about other things we could do to my FatBob that we haven't already tried, which we have tried a number of things. Like we put the progressive 465 adjustable suspension on it, which works just like stock. You're able to adjust your preload just right off the bat like that. We also did the progressive springs in the front, which lowered it about an inch. Lowering the bike has been just amazing. It has helped in so many ways. We went from the stock seat to the step-up seat by Saddlemen. I loved the look of that seat. However, it actually raised me up an inch. And then after riding Mr. Nutt's Breakout with his Renegade seat, we kind of figured out that that lowers you about an inch. So we decided to go with the Speed Merchant by Saddlemen. It has the rear pillion, so I can still ride my nephew. And it lowered me down easily an inch to an inch and a half. So now I can be absolutely flat-footed on this bike, which makes a world of difference. However, my air cleaner was still my biggest problem. My leg just knocked it. We tried 3 different covers with the S&S Air Cleaner, and it just was not working for me. We had the teardrop. We did the kind of muscle car looking one, which is what I've been running, which I love the look of, all of them, but it just was not working for me. So we were talking the other day, and I was like, if I could only have the same kind of heavy breather that comes stock on my 2020 CVO Street Glide. It's, you know, because it's the front facing heavy breather. It works amazing. My leg comes right under it, and I have no issues. So we were like, oh, light bulb. Mr. Nutt's bike has that. Heavy breather extreme, the Screaming Eagle, and it would be no big deal to swap them out. My S&S teardrop would look amazing, kind of bring his old school look into his Breakout. So we thought, heck, let's make the switch and see how that works. So that's what we did. We installed the heavy breather extreme, and just looking at the breather bolts on both air cleaners, it was just so obvious that there should be so much room from where this one begins to where the S&S Stealth starts. So you can see, I mean, a huge difference. When I put my leg on the bike, my leg does not touch my air cleaner at all. And that is just the most comfortable thing. I mean, I was literally having to ride out here, which on a bike that is all about leaning and curves, my foot, my heel was always kind of, Mr. Nutt would ride behind me thinking, oh, I hope she picks her foot up. So this has just made one of the most comfortable riding positions ever. We were considering mids, what an expensive process that would be to change out. And I don't necessarily know that I would have liked it. So this change has just been, it was genius. I don't know why we didn't think of it sooner, to be perfectly honest. So we took my S&S Stealth with the teardrop cover and put it on Mr. Nutt's Breakout. Super clean look. It really changed the look of it completely, I feel like. But again, you can just see where it bolts in and how much of it was sitting right where my leg was banging into it. So now this bike will be a little bit less comfortable for me because it literally hits this spot right under my knee and just bangs into it over and over again. But that's not going to bother him. His legs are much longer than mine. So short girl problems, we had a quick solution. Worked out beautifully. I think it looks amazing, actually, because it takes it back with his Fab 28 pipe. It just throws that whole old school look, which is what a Breakout is supposed to kind of feel like, is an old school chopper look. I think it looks amazing. He's super happy with it. I'm super comfortable. So it was really like a win-win overall. And really a process that took us less than an hour to really swap out both air cleaners. So future reference, there you go. Those are the changes we made to the FatBob and the Breakout. We just wanted to share this stuff with you. For all of us short girls out here and your shorter guys, you know, 5'3" and lower, it makes a huge difference. So thanks for watching. We hope you found this useful. I'm considering still the next few things I want to do on this bike as far as performance. This D&D Bobcat exhaust sounds amazing. I didn't realize that the changing the air cleaner was going to change the sound so much, but oh my gosh, both these bikes sound amazing now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube, follow us on Instagram, leave your comments and questions below. We love to see you. We love to bring you along. Peace. See you in the next video.